Na Bacalso, ang lyricist sa kantang We Come to Celebrate.
Ug ako si Jundel Bacalso, ang composer, ang nanghimog tono sa iyahang titik sa We Come to Celebrate.
The song talks about the virtues of Saint Pedro Calungsod. It's like, actually it's thanking and celebrating his life, thanking God for the gift of his life and for the gift of his sainthood. And it's for the youth, since it has a vibrant and youthful tone.
Music is a really big part of my life, kay kanang mao gina akong ginabuhat kada adlaw. Inigmatan ako kay mag-arrange kog mga songs, nagtudlo og choir, and also I play in a kanang church, like in the mass. So dako gyud tabang kay para malamdagan pod ato ang mga ginabuhat sa kinabuhi.
Just want to encourage everyone to emulate Saint Pedro's virtues, because we all know na through his virtues he was able to become saint. So we have this pattern, or we have Saint Pedro Calungsod as our model. We just continue to emulate his ways.
May we follow the footsteps of Saint Pedro Calungsod nga iya jung gi-fight ang iyang pagtuo para sa Ginoo.
To fully triumph. You showed great love to the people, evangelizing, baptizing native Chamorros.
Your love radiates through your mission. Acts of selflessness you have shown. We come to celebrate you, thanking God for your great life, a martyr of Christian faith. Truly your virtues will emulate. Ooh, Saint Pedro Calungsod, a model of youth. Ooh, a faithful friend and a loving companion. Your unwavering faith, charity, and fortitude place you on the pedestal. You inflame our timid souls. Our prayer is that we become saints like you. We come to celebrate you, thanking God for your great life, a martyr of Christian faith. Truly your virtues will emulate. Ooh, Saint Pedro Calungsod, a model of you. Ooh, a faithful friend and a loving companion. We come to celebrate you, thanking God for your great life, a martyr of Christian faith. Truly your virtues will emulate. Will emulate. Ooh, Saint Pedro Calungsod, a model of you. Ooh, a faithful friend and a loving companion. We come to celebrate you, thanking God for your great life, a martyr of Christian faith. Truly your virtues will Oh, Saint Pedro Calungsod, the model of youth.